All right, Constance Curtis is back with us. We're going to make a kale Caesar. We're going to top it with some shrimp, scallops, and then some heirloom tomatoes. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
So Constance is interested in like this paleo mayo idea, and the Caesar salad will touch on that same concept. We're going to make an emulsification, anchovies, eggs, and olive oil. Boom. I'll have you roll this, put a little pressure on it, and kind of roll it out. All right, and then juice half of it, hold your hand over and catch the seeds between your fingers. I want you to pour some of this red wine vinegar in there.
Okay, how much? Can you tell me to stop?
Yeah, I'll tell you to stop. All right, that's good. Start with that. And then let's put in 3 of those cloves of garlic, whichever 3 you want. And then you can turn up the speed a little bit on the blender if you want.
Can I put the lid on?
Do that. There you go. Do you like anchovies?
I do.
Oh, 4. Yeah. You want to put in a couple spooges of that hot sauce? Yeah, let's go 4. That looks good. And then let's go with like one of these spoons of that mustard. You can use Dijon mustard. This is a whole grain mustard. Now we're gonna turn it up. Go ahead and turn it back on. Yeah, right about there. And then I want you to slowly drizzle this in. There you go. Now go ahead. Yeah, keep going. Stop.
Wow, so cool. So you were just like slowly increasing it so you're faster?
Yeah.
So it gets like thicker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it looks kind of like a salad dressing, right?
Uh-huh.
Or a lighter, thinner mayo,
Very cool.
right? So we can just give it a taste.
And that's so good.
It's not bad right now. You can get this, you get the little Caesar kind of taste at the end, which comes from the anchovy. But normally you'll finish this with Parmesan cheese. We're not gonna do that. So we're gonna add that last clove of garlic, a little bit, I'm gonna say 2 more fillets of anchovy, and I think that'll be the trick. Got that. Let's taste it again. Huh? Pretty good, huh? Okay. So there you go. It's like a Paleo Caesar. We'll call that the Paleo Caesar. What are we gonna do with it? We're gonna mix it with some kale, shrimp, scallops, and some tomatoes. So we'll take a quick break and we'll check back in over at the seafood station. They're wild shrimp that we've peeled and deveined. The other thing, we have our bay scallops. We're gonna do 12. You got 12?
I got it.
12.
There we go.
Okay, so now I'm gonna set out 4 shrimp, and in between each shrimp, I'm gonna put one of these scallops. Have you ever seen that before?
No.
Can you imagine it?
And it's gonna cook
Pretty
and
good.
it's like that? Wow.
And the goal here is to keep the everything flat. We're gonna run this thing straight through so that when we set this skewer in the pan, everything cooks evenly. So we'll just go like that, and we'll spread it back out. So there's our 3. Now I'm gonna take and sprinkle. And then we'll take these seasoned side down. You wanna set them in the pan. I've got some olive oil going here.
So this side down.
Yep. And then I want you to sprinkle salt and pepper on the back side. I've got some mini heirloom tomatoes. And what we'll do, we can just quarter these. Look at how beautiful that is, huh?
Wow.
Isn't that nice? And then I got a little aged balsamic here. We'll drizzle that in a little bit. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little chili this time. Okay, that looks awesome. This is just a kale salad blend that I got. It's not a blend, it's just chopped up kale. And there are some thicker parts in here. I usually kind of pick that away. Dressing? How about our dressing? Yeah! And then we'll use some of the water that's in there to kind of thin this out a little bit. You'll see how that works. So go ahead and mix that up. Okay. On a big one. You can smell it too, huh?
Yeah, it smells
smell
so
that?
good.
It does smell good. And now just
You want it right down the middle?
yeah. Keep it in the middle. So what do you think? Tomatoes first or shrimp first?
Shrimp.
Shrimp and then tomatoes on
Yes.
top? 2, 3, go. And then finish it off right down the middle of the thing. What do you think of that?
Impressive.
That's pretty good.
So good.
All right, so there it is. It's the Constance Curtis Kale Caesar with crevettes and heirloom tomatoes.
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
We
Okay.
couldn't think of anything else.
Yeah, there were enough C's and K's in there to make it clever. But yeah, Constance Curtis, Paleo Nick, doing what we can to help you.
Keep it paleo.